Good morning, Standard 9 students. So, yesterday I started with chapter 23, that is trigonometrical ratio of a standard angle. Which are the standard angle? A standard angle is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Other standard angle you will study in higher classes. So whenever these values are given 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, you have to put the value directly in the questions 8 and you have to simplify. That will be your final answer. So yesterday I explained you how the value of sine 30, cos 30, tan 30 and sine 60, cos 60 and tan 60 come. Today I am going to explain you this 45 degree. How we can write the value of sine 45 degree, what is the value of cos 45 degree and what is the value of tan 45 degree. Then 0 degree, 90 degree value, same way 0 degree and 90 degree, the value is given in your table book. Hey, you have to learn, and when you will solve the maximum question, it will be set in your mind what is the value. Always not need to learn the value. So first 45 degree. Let us see isosceles right angle triangle. Right? Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means two sides are equal. And right angle. So one angle is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So since this is isosceles right angle triangle, it means two sides are equal. Let equal side be A, then this is also A. But two sides are equal. And that AC, that is hypotenuse. We can find out the value of hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. How will find? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, AB is A square plus A square. 8. This is Pythagoras theorem. So AC square, A square plus A square, 2A square. So AC is equal to root over 2A square. So AC is equal to root 2A. So hypotenuse value is root 2A. 8. Now we will find the value of sine 45 degree, cos 45 degree, tan 45 degree. I will find. So AC is equal to root 2. Sine, now two sides are equal isosceles triangle, one angle is 90 degree. It means remaining two angles will be equal to 45 and 45. Right? Now we can take any of the angles, either angle C or angle A, because both are 40 degree. So when we take angle C, then for this angle AB is perpendicular, BC is base and AC is hypotenuse. When we take angle A, then for this angle BC is perpendicular, AB is base and AC is hypotenuse. So any one we can take because both of the angles are equal, that is equal to 45 degree. So if we take sine 45 degree angle C, then for this angle AB is perpendicular and sine theta is equal to, we know, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is A, hypotenuse is root 2A. A cancel means sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. Right? Sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. Now reverse of cosine theta, cosine. COSEC, cosec 45 degree. The reverse of sin theta means √2. Right. Similarly, cos 45 degree. So cos, I have taken this angle C. For this angle, BC is the base. Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base is A, hypotenuse is √2A. Cancel 1 by √2. So sin 45 also 1 by √2. Cos 45 also 1 by √2. Now what is the reverse of cos? Sec. SEC. Sec 45 degree. The reverse of cos means this will be equal to √8. Now come to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. So I have taken the angle C. So tan 45 perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is AB, base is BC, means A by 8 cancel, that is 1. So tan 45 is equal to 1. What is the reverse of reciprocal of tan? The reciprocal of tan is cot, COT, cot 45 degree. So reverse of 1 is 1. This is the value. So I explain you how the value of sin 30, 60 and 45. So once again recall it. Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 √3 by 2, tan 30 1 by √3, sin 60 √3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 √3, sin 45 1 by √2, cos 45 1 by √2, tan 45 1. Then 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 0. Then 90, sin 90 1, cos 90 0 and tan 90 infinite, meaningless, no meaning, infinite means. So this value you have to learn in the beginning, and after solving some question this value will be set in your mind, then need not to learn that time. Now see it. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. This is the formula I have given in the first chapter. So sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to 1. Now see here. When angle is same, three formula I have given you. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second formula given, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And third formula given, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these three formula equal to 1 when angle is same. Now we will verify by taking the same angle of this formula, whether it is coming equal to 1 or not. So first one, sin square theta, take 30 degree. So sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now see whether it is coming equal to 1 or not. So sin square 30, so sin 30 value 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and then square this square. Cos 30 √3 by 2, √3 by 2 and there square. Now we have to simplify. See 1 by 4, √3 square means 3 by 2 square means 4. So this is 4, this is 1 plus 3, that is 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. See. So that's why I asked you, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1 when angle is same. Now I am taking the different angle. Let's see whether it is coming equal to 1 or not. This angle I am taking 60 degree. Now the angle is different. So put the value sin 30 1 by root 1 by 2 is their square, so square. Cos 60 1 by 2 their square. Is it coming equal to 1? Let's see. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Answer is 4 2. It is coming 1 by 2. Not equal to 1. Why? Because the angle is different. You follow? So some more question I will solve in the next video. And today you have to solve some questions for 1 to 5 questions from your exercise and learn the value. Thank you very much.